welcome back to Clarissa's channel. I've received so many positive responses in these last few videos that I've been posting, and I just wanted to let you know all those suggestions that you have sent over to me, I've been definitely taking note of it, adding it to my list of ideas of what I'm going to be creating for you in my next upcoming videos. In fact, a few of you have been wanting to see some healthy breakfast ideas, and today I'm so excited to share with you one of my favorite ones. I'm going to be showing you how to make chia seed puddings in 5 different ways. This is perfect if you like variety and will give you a different flavor every day of the week. This can be done for a meal prep on Sunday, the night before, or even the day of for breakfast. So these are the 5 different chia seed puddings we're going to be making today. A layer with banana, cinnamon, and a drizzle of honey, peanut butter, granola, and honey, matcha flavor with granola, apples with cinnamon and honey, and chocolate espresso with cocoa nibs. So for those who eat healthy or are on track to eat healthy, given that it's the new year, I wanted to point out that chia seeds pudding is so good for you. They are full of important nutrients, and an easy way to help you break it down so you understand is that they're very high in fiber. So if you are eating out at a restaurant and you know that food was really oily or wasn't as healthy as you may have planned it to be, definitely eat chia seeds because it'll help ease your digestion. And then they're also really high in iron and calcium. As always, please like and subscribe right down below and click that notification bell if you would like to be alerted for upcoming videos on my channel. Now, let's get cooking in the kitchen. Up first is the banana cinnamon chia seed pudding. So we're gonna be using 1 banana as a topping, and I did not cut this banana really well. I had to cut out that clip, but I am cutting the banana into thin slices, and I'm going to be setting that aside in a bowl. So the first chia seed pudding flavor we're going to be doing is the banana cinnamon, and this could be used as your Monday pudding, Monday meal prep, whatever you want to call it. I added 2 to 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, a little pinch of cinnamon. I mixed it throughout before I added the milk, just because you don't want it to clump. So that's the trick there. And I added 2/3 of a cup of almond milk. You could do oat milk, you could do soy milk, regular milk, whatever you want it to be. And you want to mix it all together so that way it doesn't clump up. Then you're going to add honey as a sweetener. You could use coconut sugar, maple syrup, whatever sweetener you would like. And mix it all together again so it doesn't clump up, and you can set it in the fridge or just set it aside for it to thicken. This chia seed pudding is actually one of my favorites. It's super simple. The base is still the same. Chia seeds, honey, and almond milk. And all I added was organic crunchy peanut butter with no sugar added and organic unsweetened coconut flakes. It is the perfect combination with the perfect bite. You just can't resist, but have more. All right, my matcha lovers, if you're one like me, this is a perfect recipe for you. I had heated hot water in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and I used a sweetened barista matcha mix powder, and I added 2 tablespoons, and I did not have the matcha whisk. I will be getting that soon, but I thought this would just do the trick for a normal whisk. If you have that at home, that is completely okay, because I did that too. I'm gonna be adding chia seeds, almond milk, and honey. Mix it all together, and this time around you're going to add that matcha mix afterwards, and this is really good to do separately so that way the chia seed pudding does not clump up with any of the powder. So hope that you found that to be very helpful. I feel that apple and cinnamon are such a good combination of flavor, and I tend to use this with a lot of my breakfast recipes or desserts. And if you haven't checked out my last video, I did provide a link down below. It's my apple crumble recipe that is super quick and easy, could be used as a dessert or a breakfast. So make sure you go check that out and let me know what you think and comment down below in that video. I am adding these apples to the side. I just cut them into dices, and this is used for the topping of the chia seed pudding. And as we did before, we're gonna add chia seeds and almond milk, as well as honey. So this is also one of my favorite recipes. I know I'm gonna keep on saying that, but it truly is, because you get a blend of chocolate and espresso. So sweet and a pick-me-up in the morning when you're really tired on your way to work or just wherever you're heading at. So I added 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and I mixed that all together in warm water that I microwave for about 30 seconds. And then I'm adding the espresso. You just wanna make sure it's blended really well, so that way there are no clumps when you add it to the chia seed pudding. I think it's safe to say that we're all experts on how to make chia seed pudding. So I added 2 to 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. I added the espresso mix with the coconut sugar and chocolate and almond milk. You can add extra honey if you would like, but it's not necessary since we already have the coconut sugar in it. But hey, if you want to add more honey, go for it. It's a natural sweetener. It never hurts to have something a little bit more sweet. Chia seed pudding for breakfast. These are a few of my favorite flavors that I never get tired of and give me a nice variety throughout the week when I'm on my way to work. I would love to see all your recreations being posted, so if you want to tag at Clarissa's Kitchen, that's my YouTube name, also my Instagram name, and also hashtag cook with me. I would love to repost it to share with more people and get them excited that it's very doable to make a recipe like this, and so simple, so quick. So if you haven't done so already while watching this video, again, please click like, subscribe, and the notification bell right down below. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time in Clarissa's Kitchen.